elephants were harmed in this next segment. Actually, no elephants were harmed in any of our segments. We love elephants. And I hope they enjoy our next story about elephant toothpaste.
Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make an exothermic reaction using H2O2 and Saccharomyces cerevisiae. That's right, I'm making elephant toothpaste.
This experiment creates a frothy reaction that kind of looks like toothpaste leaving the tube. You need a really big mouth to use all that toothpaste. And that's where the elephant part comes from. It's only a nickname, so if you have an elephant at home, don't let her use this.
I'm wearing my gloves and my goggles for extra protection. Make sure if you're doing this at home, you have adult supervision. All you need to make at-home elephant toothpaste is food dye, 3 tablespoons of warm water, 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast, an aluminum tray and a water bottle, a half cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, which you can get at the grocery store, and dish soap. So for my first step, I'm going to take a half cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide and pour it into my bottle. Our main ingredient, hydrogen peroxide, is a reactive molecule that readily decomposes into water and oxygen. And then I'm going to take a squirt of dish soap and squeeze that in my bottle. Take a few drops of food dye, a couple of those in, give my bottle a good swish so it's all nice and blue, like that. Now I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of warm water and pour it into 2 teaspoons of yeast and give it a good mix until it's a milky consistency. Yeast catalyzes the decomposition, which makes the reaction proceed much faster than it normally would. And once it's all mixed, you're gonna give it a good pour into the bottle. Like that, and you can see it's rising, 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 and coming out of the top and makes this really cool blue foamy mixture that looks awesome. Elephant toothpaste is an exothermic reaction that occurs because our hydrogen peroxide reacts with our yeast, which quickly decomposes the entire reaction and makes it occur very fast. That's all for today. This is Jackie Means, the STEM Queen, reminding you that this is what a scientist looks like.
We're telling you to look in the mirror.
Do you love videos like this? Or how about this? Well, I have like a million more videos I want you to see. Go subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on exclusive videos like this one.